Aloha, I'm Chef Leanne Wong. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today we're going to be making braised chicken with miso-adobo butter. Mix the shoyu, water, rice vinegar, honey, garlic, bay leaf, and black pepper in a large pot. Stir until the honey is dissolved. Place the chicken in the marinade mix and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer until the chicken thighs are completely cooked, about 20 minutes. Remove the chicken from the marinade and set aside. Reduce the marinade over high heat until 2 cups remain. To make the miso-adobo butter, combine the marinade reduction, miso paste, rice vinegar, brown sugar, cornstarch, and soft poached egg in a blender. Blend on high until smooth. While the blender is running, slowly drizzle in hot melted butter. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.